I want to play a game.
Hello everyone. My game of the day is to catch dancer move. I'll be judging of the Halloween dance battle. So hey dancer, you guys better watch out. Yes, I'm here for a dancer. Be careful your character and your dance. If your dance with your character is not in the line, which means you have failed the game. For the person who win the game, you have to kill the person who failed the game. Every one of you only have 45 seconds. Make a choice. The first pair in the game is 5B vs Sushiro. Let me guess, 5B choose the character is the cowboy with the half-face monster. Let's get it. Hold on, what the fuck is that? You think you're the magician? You're the fucking half-face monster. You shoot the fucking poker for what? At least get a hose. Stand now, you fucking cowboy. Go get him. Yeah, this is it, my fucking cowboy. Too bad, it's a trap. Sushiro take you in his game. Fucking cowboy is easy. You're messed up. Alright, it's Sushiro's turn. Yeah, you really look like Sushi with the fucking pirate head. Yo, what's that? Where'd you get a sword to put on your ass? You use a sword to make sushi? You're gonna save yourself, Sushiro. Sushiro needs water to make his sushi. Now he rolled it. Sushi trying to escape. You have to get it back. I can see Sushiro make himself as sushi, and also sushi chef. Alright, he got the sushi back. So what are you gonna do? Shit, he's spinning the fucking song and spinning himself as well. He keeps staying in his mind and playing his game. And who the hell are you? Why you keep giving tight? The game is mine. Eat my shit. Alright, Sushiro almost done. Oh, he killed it! Well done, Sushiro. You killed 5B. He messed up the game. He deserved it. We still got 2 more dancers in the game. Your game is not end yet. It just begun. Let's see the second dancer in the game. It's Waack Kim vs JTT. Alright, let the big chat go first. Waack Kim choose the character is my ex, Annabelle, and with the gift I give her the fucking bear. Yeah, kill the fucking bear. Just forget me. Where'd she get the power? What the fuck is that? Is that a curse? So the fucking bear is dead? Jesus Christ. You sacrifice your damn life for the bitches. You're not deserve her. Rest in hell, little damn bear. Now Annabelle needs recharge her power for the second wave. This is it. Sanctification. Oh, I think she need more. Comes again. Sanctification. 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 Oh, she break her arm. That's a demon curse. Jesus. And she's get another fucking ghost. Alright, Annabelle is awesome. It's JTT turn. He choose the character is the nasty wolf with the zombie. You can see the nasty wolf keeps smelling for his shit. Look at the bitch is get close with the nasty wolf. Oh, the nasty wolf is fuck with the bitch. Jesus Christ, it's a new history of the ghosts. The nasty wolf is moving fast. He coming. What the fuck? Annabelle put a curse in his body. and he had losing his mind. The nasty wolf are fucked up. He shot the wrong way. He exploding the power to his own body. Nasty wolf is fucking messed out. Congratulations, Waack Kim. Your curse made JDT to die slowly. He messed up. He deserved it. Now we have 2 survivors in this game. Waack Kim and Strory. But we only can choose one person to live here. Based on you get better just now, the decision will give the game monster to decide who is the lucky person. Good luck for both of you.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Goodbye, Strory. Congratulations, Waack Kim. You're still alive. When I saw you choose Annabelle as your character, I recall back when we are still together. But Annabelle get cursed by his family. And the bear you killed just now is to protect her life.
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore.
Hello everyone, thanks for watching my video. Remember to subscribe my channel. When more videos is coming out for you guys, just stay tuned.